how to add watermark in CapCut PC. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to create a project. And then from here, what you want to do now is just simply go to text. Then after that, I'll just add default text right here to the timeline. Afterwards, we'll now just edit our watermark. So just name or put your watermark right here. So for example, I'll just name it sample watermark. There you go. And then you can also edit the font right here. So for example, I'll just choose a random font from here in their font section. So yeah, for example, I'll choose this font right here. There you go. And then feel free to customize out your watermark, like the font size, the pattern, the color, and etc, etc. But for me, I'll just leave it as this. And then once you're done customizing your watermark, just simply click on export. Name your watermark right here. So I'll just name it watermark. There you go. And then I'll just export that watermark. And then there you go, it's now done. So after that, we can now start editing our video with our watermark. So I'll just import a video right here. So I'll just look for a random video. So as an example, I'll just choose this video right here. So I'll just drag this here to my timeline. There you go. You can edit out your video if you want to as well. And then after that, I'll just import the watermark. So just look for the location and where you saved your watermark. So for me, it's in my D drive, it's in my work output, and then it's this video right here. So I'll just open it up and then there you go. Afterwards, I'll just drag this again to my timeline, but I'll drag it on top of the video. There you go. So there you go. We now have our watermark. So from here, what you want to do now is go to blend, go to mode, and then just simply click on color dodge. And then there you go. We now have our watermark in our video. So after that, you can adjust the size of your watermark right here. You can put it wherever you want. So yeah, feel free to put it wherever you want. So for me, I'll just resize it and then I'll just put it here in the bottom right corner. There you go. And then I'll just copy and paste these watermarks right here so that it will reach until the end of the video. There you go. And then there you go. So it's now reached till the end of the video. So there you go. We now have our watermark for the whole video. And then once you're done editing your video with your watermark, just simply click on export. Just name your video. I'll just name it watermarked video. And then I'll just export it to my desktop. Select folder and then just customize out your video settings right here. Afterwards, you can now export the video. So I'll just click on export. There you go. The video is now done exporting. So when I go to my desktop right here, we now have our watermark video right here. So if you look at the bottom right corner, we now have our watermark and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add watermark in CapCut PC.